Welcome to Sparky Spoken English.
உங்க இங்கிலீஷ் ஃப்ளூயன்சிக்காக வீடியோவை 3 ஸ்டெப்ல பிரிச்சிருக்கோம். ஸ்டெப் 1 வாட்ச். வாக்கியத்தோட அர்த்தங்களை புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு கவனிங்க. ஸ்டெப் 2 இமிட்டேட். சொல்றத கவனமா கேட்டு திருப்பி சொல்லுங்க. இதனால உங்க உச்சரிப்பு மேம்படும்.
Unlock the car.
Unlock the car. Come on, let's go. I want to go home.
Can you unlock the car, please?
Open the car door.
They're grown. They're working.
Just open the car door, Daniel. I need a tissue.
Did you just open the car door for me?
Yes, I did.
Get in the car.
Hurry up, get in the car.
Get in the car, kids. Diane, get in the car.
Buckle up.
Buckle up.
I'm buckling.
Buckle up, baby.
Start the car.
Red? Start the car.
Start the car.
Why? Where are we going?
Start the car. Head east.
Roll down the window.
I'll roll down the window.
Roll down the window and let me talk to you.
Roll up the window.
You want me to roll up the window?
I always close the door. I always roll up the window.
Back up.
Back up, back up, back up.
Backing up.
Beep the horn.
Can I beep the horn?
Oh, can we at least beep the horn?
Speed up.
Bam, speed up.
Speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up.
Slow down.
Slow down.
Slow down. Slow down. Please, slow down.
Pull over.
You want me to pull over?
Pull over, quick. Pull over.
Fill up the tank.
But fill up the tank, bring it back by tomorrow, and
Pull in.
Pull in here, Cubby.
Pull in here. I need something to drink.
Turn off the engine.
pull over up here and turn off the engine.
Turn off the engine! Throw the keys out the window!
Unbuckle.
Well, unbuckle and move to the middle.
Get out of the car.
Get out of the car.
I wanted out, but I couldn't get out of the car.
Close the door.
Close the door! Close the door!
Lock the car.
You stay here, you lock the car, okay?
Well, you better lock the car.
Don't worry.
ஸ்டெப் 3 ப்ராக்டிஸ். காட்சிகளை பார்த்து அதுக்கேற்ற வாக்கியத்தை வாய் விட்டு சொல்லுங்க. இந்த ப்ராக்டிஸ் உங்களுக்கு இங்கிலீஷ் சரளமா பேச உதவும்.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more content.